Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you can see now, it does not take a lot of time, so we will simply wait. Next, you can go ahead and open the app. Here, tap on Continue. After that, you are eligible to choose whether some of the features and options the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can skip and leave their configuration for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as the default browser step. Here you can also either customize the permissions that you are going to grant to Opera or just allow everything that it needs. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.